A fair dice are thrown to find the probability of each of the following events. Now, we're going to find out the following here. But first, when we throw out two fair dice, that would be about, let's say here, to find out the total possible outcomes, that would be 6 times 16. So we have 6 times 6 equals to 36. So this would be our possible outcomes then. Okay, now moving on for this one, let's go find an answer out for the A. So the question here for A is the larger number obtained minus the smaller number obtained equals 4. Now, let's try to find out here. Now, for the difference between two dice, to be exactly 4, we need to identify the pairs where each of the following dice. So we're going to find this equals to 4 then. So to write it down then, here we have as the formula, we have die 1 minus die 2 equals to 4 then. Now, so the numbers that we can write it down here is that 1, or you have 1 and 5 also with, and the other one would be 5 and 1 then. Okay, now also we can write it out here for the other number. That's going to be 6 and 2, and the other would be 2 and 6 then. Now, so those are the numbers. Now, to count it out here, we can find out there are about 4 of them. Now, to solve it out here, for the probability that we have, is that P is which one we have? 4 out of 36, in which we divided both sides by 4. That's going to be about 1 out of 9 then. Okay, so that's the solution for the letter A. Now, moving on for the second one, or the B1's question is that the sum of two numbers obtained is divisible by 3. Okay, now let's go try to find and write out the numbers down here. Now, again, the sum of two numbers is divisible by 3. So let's just write out the numbers then. What are those? Sum of the number that is divisible by 3 then. Now first, let's write out what are the divisible by 3. We have 3, 6, 9, and 12. Okay, so those are the numbers then. Now let's write out here. We have the sum of 3 then. The sum of 3, we have 1 and 2, and 2 and 1 then. Now next one, we have the sum of 6. Now the sum of 6 we have, there is 1 and 5. Next one is 2 and 4. Next one is 3 and 3. And the other one would be 4 and 2. Next one is 5 and 1. Okay. Now, moving on, we have the sum of, the sum of 9 then. Now, let's write it out here. We have 3 and 6. Now, that would be, next one we have 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 6 and 3. Okay, now let's look out then here. We have the sum of 3, there are about 2 of them. Now here, for the sum of 6, there's about 5 of them here. Yeah, okay, that's overlapping then. Let's not drag that one then. There's 5. There's about 5. And the sum for 9. Okay. Now the sum for 9, there's about 4 of them. Okay, let's go back. So we have 4 of them. Okay. Now next one, we have the sum of 12. Now for the sum of 12, that's only 6 and 6 then. So that's only 1. Now looking out here, let's go add all the numbers then. We have we have 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 then. That will be equals to 12. Now, to write out for our probability, we have for that one is equals to P of 12 over 36, or 1 out of 3 then. Now, for the last one, we have for the C is neither number is a prime number. Now, let's look at what is a prime number then. Now, the possible die that we have for the prime number are, when you say our prime numbers, you have prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so those are 3 then. Now, the non-prime are prime is 1, 4, and 6. Okay, so since there were three of them, and we have then here, so 3 times 3 equals to 9. Now we can write it out here as the probability is which 9 over 36 is equals to 1 out of 4.